favorite show Little Superstars here on NTV Houston. मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट पूजा और आज हम करने वाले हैं कुछ स्पेशल। आज के हमारे एपिसोड में होंगे दो सुपरस्टार्स। एक है 5 साल का बच्चा जो अपनी छोटी सी एज में बन चुका है कराटे का मास्टर, और दूसरी है प्यारी सी 8 साल की बच्ची जो इतनी कम एज में सिंगिंग, डांसिंग एंड आइस स्केटिंग तो करती ही है, but she loves to protect wildlife around her. So please put your hands together and help me welcome these two little superstars.
पढ़ने का वक्त तो रिकॉर्ड हम तोड़ जाते हैं। हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपर।
Hello, have a seat. Please put your hands together for Rituja Patil.
सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार। रंग मस्ती के उड़ाते हैं, चमके धूम मचाते हैं। आए पढ़ने का वक्त तो रिकॉर्ड हम तोड़ जाते हैं। हम हैं लिटिल।
Now please put your hands together for mentor and mommy Khushbu Jaiswal, founder of Khushbu Dance.
सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार। रंग मस्ती के उड़ाते हैं, चमके धूम मचाते हैं। आए पढ़ने का वक्त तो रिकॉर्ड हम तोड़ जाते हैं। हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपर।
Hello, my beautiful and handsome people here. How are you?
Good.
Good? How are you doing, Rituja?
I'm doing great. Like the set has a lot of colors and like I love your dress.
Thank you so much, and I love your dress.
Thank you.
I tried to match you, with the long skirt and lehenga. Hi, Khushbu, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, Pooja, and thank you for inviting us to this show. Feeling absolutely fine.
It's my pleasure to have a role model like you on my show, especially when you're demonstrating 2 roles today, mom and mentor.
Yes.
So,
Mom for him and mentor for her.
Perfect. स्पर्श, बेटा आपने चश्मे क्यों पहने हुए हैं?
मैं हीरो हूँ ना।
आप हीरो हो? अभी आप उतार दोगे एपिसोड के लिए प्लीज?
हाँ।
उतार दो।
Of course.
Of course. Utaro? Thank you. Okay. All right. So, Rituja, how did you feel when I told you that you were accepted and approved to be on the set, on the show?
At first, I was like so surprised that like I was chosen, and then like I was like super excited and like I had no words to say. Like I was just
At lots
completely
of
wordless.
words. Yes. स्पर्श, आपको कब पता चला कि आपको कैसा लगा जब आपको पता चला कि आप इस शो पर आने वाले हो?
अच्छा।
अच्छा लगा? आप बहुत एक्साइटेड हुए थे?
हाँ।
हाँ? मम्मी आप आंसर करें।
Yes, जब मैंने उसको बताया, right, कि he'll be a part of this show, and he was super duper excited because उसको TV पे आना है. And he's just 4 years old, and he's fond of multiple YouTube channels and everything. He's fond of Ryan. And then when I said, हाँ, यहाँ हम जाएंगे इस शो में, so he was like super duper excited. Right?
Wow. स्पर्श, एक बात बताओ, आपको ये शो पर क्यों आना था?
क्योंकि बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है।
थोड़ा लाउडली बोलो।
थोड़ा बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है।
बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है शो। Alright. Okay. So let's start with Rituja here because you are so quiet and I want more words out of you. So Rituja, I see Khushbu here is your dance mentor. How did you get into dancing and what inspired you?
So at first, I really started with ballet. Like I was watching a lot of shows about ballet, and like I started to do some ballet moves. And then like I really got inspired and I wanted to learn more. So I asked my parents, can I go to dance class? I mean ballet class. And then they were like, sure, why not? And then like when I started, we learned like a lot of moves. And then like I got the interest, like I liked ballet like all the time, but I really wanted to learn how to like skate like on little rolls, like little wheels. So I got the interest in roller skating.
Okay, from ballet.
Yeah.
Wow, okay.
And then, so my parents put me in a roller skating class, and I was like really happy. And so when I was there, like I was there for 1 year, and
So
it
you
was,
trained for 1 year
Yeah.
for roller skates, okay?
it was like really fun, and I really wanted to skate on ice with blades,
Okay.
and so I started ice skating.
So ballet led to roller skating led to ice skating. What led to Bollywood dancing?
So when I was in ice skating, like I liked all of them, but I really wanted to learn how to do something fast, like a beat up where you can just feel free.
Like upbeat song.
Yeah, so I wanted to try out Bollywood dancing, and then so my parents found out about Miss Khushbu, and then they entered me in it, and I was like super happy because she is an amazing teacher.
Wow. So how long have you been with Khushbu Dance Group?
So I think I've been there about now maybe 6 months.
Very
or
good.
1
And you
year.
have learned so much in these 6
Yes.
months because I've seen so many videos of you dancing. And I am sure you're going to show me something today as well. So we will come back to that. Coming to Khushbu. So Khushbu, tell me a little something about Khushbu Dance Group. What inspired you? कहाँ से शुरुआत हुई?
Thank you, Pooja, for asking me this question. I would love to answer this for you and everyone. So yes, being a dentist from India, when I moved to Houston, it was a big question mark for me that how to start my dentistry in USA.
Right.
Then slowly I realized that it's not that easy
Right.
to start up dentistry in USA. So meanwhile, I thought, okay, let's give a chance to my hobbies. And then I started working as henna artist, and we started organizing different events with my friends. We used to organize summer camps, we used to organize birthday parties. I used to do henna in various weddings and everywhere.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So when all these things were going on, I jumped into, okay, I planned for this Khushbu dance group.
Oh, very nice.
So yeah, we started with a very small amount of participants with me at that moment. And then I later, we started growing day by day, and then we performed into multiple events. By today, we have performed for more than 100 events.
Wow.
Yeah, and I'm really proud of it. We won various talent shows, and pretty much it would be like almost 3 years when I started.
That was my next question.
Yeah, in
Okay.
coming September, we'll be completing our 3 years of Khushbu Dance Group.
Congratulations.
So yeah,
That's a long journey.
I'm pretty happy, and yeah, I want to thank all the participants who really kept faith on me. And through this platform, I really want to thank my parents, my in-laws, my husband and my sister, and again Sparsh for all their support. Thank you so much, guys.
Because अगर स्पर्श नहीं होते तो
तो
आप
नहीं,
यहाँ नहीं
होते ही
होते.
नहीं.
Right, स्पर्श?
He is a good support.
तो स्पर्श, मुझे किसी ने बताया है कि आपको टाइगर श्रॉफ बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ,
क्यों?
क्योंकि उसके 6 पैक्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं.
क्योंकि उसके 6 पैक्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. ओहो, आप टाइगर श्रॉफ की तरह डांस करते हो?
नहीं.
थोड़ा जोर से बोलो, मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहा.
नहीं.
नहीं, ओके. अच्छा स्पर्श, मुझे ये बताओ कि आप इतने से होकर आपने कराटे कैसे सीख लिया?
क्योंकि मेरे मम्मी पापा ने मेरे को लगा दिए.
क्लास में? हाँ, आपको मम्मी पापा ने क्लास में भेज दिए. एंड देन फिर आपको कैसा लगा फर्स्ट डे क्लास पर?
बहुत अच्छा.
बहुत अच्छा लगा?
हाँ.
आप नर्वस नहीं हुए?
नहीं.
नर्वस नहीं
He
हुए?
was there, even that taekwondo में वो सबसे youngest था.
अच्छा.
तो वो सर उसको इतना कडल करते थे. His sir name is Master Julio. He used to cuddle him. इतना कोई रूड भी नहीं होते थे because सबसे छोटा था, उसके साइज का कॉस्ट्यूम भी नहीं था उनके पास. So but yeah, he is fond of sports. उसको बहुत पसंद है. तो टाइगर श्रॉफ इसीलिए क्योंकि वो सब sports और ये सब चीज जो करता है, 6 packs.
And that's why I wanted to have him. He is by far right now the youngest,
Yes.
superstar on our show. आप सबसे छोटे हो अभी तक हमारे शो पर. आपको पता है? आप youngest हो. आपको अवार्ड देंगे हम.
How sweet.
ठीक है. तो स्पर्श, आप जो ये टाइक्वांडो करते हो, आप मुझे आज दिखाओगे करके कुछ मूव?
Of course.
Of course. Okay. So आइए देखते हैं स्पर्श के कुछ टाइक्वांडो मूव्स. I am super excited because इतना सा छोटा सा बॉय हमारे लिए क्या बड़े बड़े मूव्स करता है. आइए देखते हैं.
किया. किया. किया.
Well, that was fantastic. आपने जो परफॉर्म किया, मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा, मैं तो डर गई. आपने ये सब मूव्स कितने दिनों में सीखे? मम्मी हेल्प करे, मम्मी जल्दी से हेल्प करो.
Yeah,
Basically, how long has he been training for
he
Taekwondo?
has been for 6 months for Taekwondo.
Uh-huh.
And yeah, जब उसने join किया धीरे white belt, फिर yellow and then orange. So yeah, now he has the orange belt.
Orange belt? आपको पहनना आता है बेल्ट कि मम्मा पहनाती
वो
है?
मुझे सिखाता है कि ऐसे पहनाते हैं मम्मा.
मम्मी पहनाते हैं।
अच्छा.
मम्मी पहना देती है. अच्छा.
How sweet.
Okay, Rutuja, so I have questions for you. You already covered roller skating, ice skating and dancing, right? So I know that you are interested in saving wildlife. How did that start?
So actually, it all started by when me and my friends were actually biking. So we heard like an awfully lot of chirping, and like it was like kind of near a bush. And then we just checked the road, and we saw a tiny little northern mockingbird, a baby, like it was on the road, just scared. And then like we picked it up, and so I took it in my backyard. So from then, because it was a storm, we don't really know how it got on the road. So first, we had to give it a name.
Right.
You can never have an animal without a name.
Of course. So what did you name it?
So we came up with the name Harry.
Harry. Okay.
So we knew it was a boy.
Okay.
So
How did you know it was called the northern mockingbird?
So actually, so when I went home, I Googled it up, and then I found out that its name was a northern mockingbird, its species. And so really, so we let it live in our backyard. We would feed it like milk and peas.
So you got the little droppers to feed it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we would feed it peas. But the most best thing was that we would like be inside, and then he would just play around in our backyard. And then like whenever he was hungry, he would like chirp so loud.
Oh.
Like he would come up there, and then when we got his food, he would like stay at our feet, so we had to be really careful.
Is it still with you, or did it one day fly away?
Yeah, it flew away. We think it got friends and a family.
Yes, and maybe he was big enough to fly away back to his family.
Yeah, we actually taught it how to fly with a stick. So we would put it on a stick, and then it would like try to glide. And then once it learned to fly, it was not good.
Oh, because
So
it left you.
No, like, well, yes, but it would poop everywhere on the sofas outside, and then like, so the worst thing was he would come to the window and start chirping even louder.
So we will get back to that chirping and pooping. All right, guys, it's time for a short commercial break. Break के उस बार हम देखेंगे इनकी एक धमाकेदार dance performance. So कहीं मत जाइएगा. We will be right back.
हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार।
मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट जहां की फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स, स्पाइसेस, फ्रोजन फूड आइटम्स आपको सबसे अच्छे प्राइस में मिलेगी और हलाल ज़बीहा मीट भी मिलेगा। दाम मनपसंद, नाम मनपसंद, तो फिर क्यों ना जाए मनपसंद। Located at Wilcrest Drive, Houston, North Highway and William Cannon Drive, Austin, Texas। तो नाम याद रखिएगा, मनपसंद सुपरमार्केट।
शुगरलैंड की सबसे बड़ी सुपरमार्केट अलरबा वर्ल्ड फूड 61,000 स्क्वायर फीट पर फैला देसी और विदेशी शॉपिंग के लिए वन स्टॉप शॉप,
जहां ग्रोसरी से लेकर ब्यूटी सर्विसेज तक, बैंक से लेकर होम फर्निशिंग तक।
located in New Territory area at University and Grand Parkway.
ये है वन स्टॉप शॉप डेस्टिनेशन।
Alraba World Food. For more information, call Amir Ali at 512-652-8462.
When it comes to protecting yourself and your partners, all the information out there can be overwhelming. Visit our website. We are a free and confidential service striving to help you stay informed and stay notified. We are committed to a healthy Houston.
Houston's only Cadillac to your door dealer, Ron Carter Cadillac, delivers test drives to your home or office. Drive the new 2020 Cadillac XT4, only $399 a month, or the new 2020 XT5, only $429 a month, both for 39 months lease with just $1 down. Or purchase the XT4 or XT5 and enjoy 0.9% APR for 72 months with no payments until November. RonCarterCadillac.com.
consultant and the owner of Vogue Homes.
हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार, हम हैं लिटिल सुपरस्टार, लिटिल सुपरस्टार।
Welcome back. After the short commercial break, we're in conversation with Mommy mentor Khushbu Jaiswal, Sparsh Jaiswal, and Rituja Patil. So, Rituja Patil, before going on the break, we were talking about how you saved that little northern mockingbird, and that was amazing. Have you saved some other species and animals as well?
Yes. So it was like a big surprise. So we actually found a turtle from the lake,
Okay.
like on the road, and it was like about to die because it lived in like the lake in the water. So then I had a spare water bottle, so I quickly put it on there. So we could tell that it was a female because females usually have algae on their shell.
Wow, look at
So-
you, so smart. I didn't know that, and I'm a bio major.
So we actually took it back to the lake, and when we were there, like other turtles, they were like all gathered there. Like it looked like, I think it was from that lake. And then we went there and then put it back, and then like we were so proud that we saved another
Perfect.
animal.
Very well. Okay, so Rituja, quickly, I know so much about you. Your dance moves, your ballet, roller skating, ice skating. Tell me something about the languages you speak at home.
So I speak Marathi, it's my home language.
Okay.
I speak English. I can speak a little bit of Hindi.
Okay.
And
So let's hold up there. If I had to ask you to say something in Marathi for my audience, what would you say?
I would say to them something really nice about the show.
Okay, go ahead. Look at that camera and say.
नमस्कार, माझं नाव आहे ऋतुजा पाटील आणि तुम्ही आता मला बघत आहे लिटिल सुपरस्टारच्या शोवर NTV ह्युस्टन. हा शो खूपच मस्त आहे, तर तुम्ही तुमच्या मुलांसोबत इथे नक्की या आणि त्यांची हिडन टॅलेंट सगळ्यांना दाखवा.
Yay, I loved it. That was amazing. Thank you so much. Okay, so Sparsh, अभी हम आपसे बात करेंगे, okay? Okay. स्पर्श, मुझे ना आपकी मम्मा ने बताया था कि आप भगवद गीता के एंड यू नो होली श्लोक्स बोलते हो. आप बोलते हो?
हाँ.
कि मम्मा ऐसे ही बोल रही थी मुझे.
नहीं.
बोलते हो?
हाँ.
अच्छा, तो आप क्या मुझे कुछ बोल कर सुनाओगे आज श्लोक?
हाँ.
बोलोगे? ओके, बोलो.
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः मेरे अंबर को देवतानी दियो यो नो प्रचोदया.
वेरी वेल. अब एक और बार जोर से बोलोगे, बिकॉज़ मुझे सुना ही नहीं दिया.
ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः मेरे अंबर को देवतानी दियो यो नो प्रचोदया.
वाह, वेरी गुड. तो ये घर में लाइक आपने ऑफ कोर्स सिखाया है या कोई आता है इनको सिखाने?
नहीं, ये एक्चुअली इसके पापा से सीखता है. तो ही इज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ गॉड्स. उसको पूजा करना पसंद है.
अच्छा.
पूजा पसंद है. राइट. तो बचपन से वो गणेश चतुर्थी के टाइम बॉर्न हुआ है, सो हम लोग उसको हमेशा गणेशा ही मानते हैं.
अच्छा.
तो वो पूजा कर लेगा, पूजा की सारी चीजें पढ़ लेगा. तो ये शो इसीलिए स्पेशल है उसके लिए.
ओहो.
एंड या ही नोज मोर देन 6 श्लोकास एंड ऑल. आरती आती है उसको गणेश जी की. सो या
मम्मा बोलती है कि मैं आपकी फेवरेट हूँ. इज दैट ट्रू?
यस.
क्यों? बताओ बताओ, जल्दी से बताओ.
Because you look good.
I look good. Okay, okay, सही है. All right. So रही बात आपकी डांस ग्रुप की एंड डांसिंग की, तो ऋतुजा ने भी इतना बोला and she said you're such an amazing teacher. So I would like for both of you all to perform for me today. Can we do that?
Sure.
All right. So at this moment, let's turn our heads to them and they're gonna perform an amazing dance number for us. So आइए देखते हैं.
हो रहे हैं हम, धीरे 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 पागल हो रहे हैं. मैं तो मर जाना है, वो ना जो मिलने आए लगी है भीगी भीगी रातों में. Do you know, तू जो चाहे वो कर दूं मैं तेरे हवाले.
उड़े उड़े रे अखियां मुड़े मुड़े रे मेरे सीने में कुछ कुछ
केम छो मजा ओढ़ू ओढ़ू पर उड़ी जाए ओढ़नी ओढ़ू ओढ़ू पर उड़ी जाए
बिजली गिरा दे रानी कूलर चला दे रानी आया है हीरो कमाल कर दे बुला ले आजा नाचेगा तेरा राजा सारी पीरी पे तू ताल कर दे
नच के जो कमरिया सारा जीरा ही ले ला
ओ छोरी नच के जब कमरिया सारा जिला ही ले ला
Welcome back, you guys. We're in conversation with Khushbu, Sparsh, and Rutuja. All right, Sparsh. So मेरे पास आपके लिए एक क्वेश्चन है, ओके? आप जो इतनी अच्छी ड्रेसिंग करते हो, वो ममा करती है या आप खुद पिक करते हो?
मैं खुद पिक करता हूँ।
खुद पिक करते हो? तो आप कैसे? आपका फेवरेट क्या है?
फेवरेट है जैकेट पहनना और शर्ट पहनना।
जैकेट पहनना और शर्ट पहनना आपका फेवरेट है? वाओ! तो कभी ऐसा हुआ है where you wanted to wear something and he's like नहीं मैं ये पहनूंगा, वो नहीं पहनूंगा?
कभी नहीं, हमेशा होता है।
अच्छा।
हमेशा वो आज भी खुद ही चूज किया है, व्हाइट ब्लेजर, ये ग्लेज, एवरीथिंग। ही वांट मोर एंड मोर एक्सेसरीज एक्चुअली।
Wow.
वो अपना हीरो टाइप लुक, कूल डूड बनने में उसको बहुत इंटरेस्ट है।
क्या बात है। अच्छा, आप मुझे ये बताओ कि आपको हॉट व्हील कार्स पसंद है?
हाँ,
कौन सी वाली?
कूल वाले।
कूल वाली। ओके, आपके पास है?
हाँ,
है?
बहुत सारे हैं।
बहुत सारे हैं। अरे वाह, तो आपने मेरे को इनवाइट क्यों नहीं किया खेलने के लिए?
क्योंकि आप बड़े हो, आप खेल सकते नहीं हो। छोटे तो नहीं खेल सकते।
मैं खेल सकती हूँ, आप इनवाइट तो करो।
ठीक है।
ठीक है, ओके। अच्छा, मुझे ये बताओ कि आप हिंदी इतनी अच्छी कैसे बोलते हो?
क्योंकि मेरे मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया।
मम्मी पापा ने सिखाया। हाउ स्वीट। अच्छा, आप ये शो एवरीडे देखते हो?
हाँ।
हैं?
हाँ।
एक भी एपिसोड मिस नहीं करते?
नहीं,
क्यों?
क्योंकि मम्मा हमेशा सिखाते हैं मेरे।
अच्छा, वाओ जी वाओ। अच्छा ऋतुजा, बैक टू यू। टेल मी दिस, सो you love to cook.
Yes.
So how did that come about?
So really, whenever my mom's cooking, like I really like to watch, and then I really like to help out.
Right.
So I started like helping her out with like cutting the vegetables and like stirring the pot. And then I got the thought, like my mom was like, can I teach you some recipes? And then I was like, sure, because I really wanted to learn.
Right.
And then she taught me like amazing dishes like egg bhurji, poha, like I can make sandwiches.
So you know how to make egg bhurji and poha?
Yeah.
Wow. You know, even I don't know how to make poha. I do know egg bhurji, but poha तो मुझे भी नहीं आता. Wow. मुझे सिखाओगे? Will you teach me?
Sure.
Okay, cool. So Rutuja, I have some questions for you. This is not the rapid fire round. I just have some questions for you, random questions. ठीक है? So tell me this. You know, I have heard that sometimes you sleepwalk. Is that true?
What? No.
No, it's not.
No.
So ये झूठी somebody lied to me that you
What?
sleepwalk.
No. I don't know. I've never sleepwalked. Well, I wouldn't know because I'm really asleep, but maybe my parents would have told me.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, one more random question. ठीक है? Okay. Did you ever fart in public?
I don't know. No.
You don't know? Then
No.
you said no. मुझे
No.
किसी ने बताया. Somebody told me you did. I'm just pulling your leg. स्पर्श, आपने कभी पब्लिक में फार्ट किया?
कभी नहीं.
कभी नहीं किया? झूठ. मुझे पता है आपने किया था.
Sometimes.
Sometimes. तो आपने किया था?
Yes.
अभी आपने बोला sometimes. झूठ है.
But he sleep talks.
स्लीप टॉक?
बहुत ज़्यादा.
वाह, तो कुछ ऐसा फनी बताया जो इसने स्लीप टॉक में
वो
बोला.
एवेंजर्स से बातें करता है.
Avengers से बात
करते हैं. zombies उसको बहुत वो करते हैं, हॉन्ट शायद. तो उनसे बातें करते हैं, उठता है डर के. So yeah, उसके पापा उससे जोर से बात करते हैं. Sleep
मुझे
talk.
हंस के आँख में से आंसू आ रहे
So
हैं.
yeah, this happens.
ओके, सो आप स्लीप टॉक करते हो, स्लीप टॉक में एवेंजर्स से बातें करते हो. वाओ, ठीक है. वो जब एवेंजर्स वाले मुझे कॉल करेंगे ना नेक्स्ट शो के लिए, तो मैं आपका नाम सजेस्ट करूंगी. ठीक है? आप जाओगे उनके शो पर? ओके, कूल. ओके, सो All right, let's talk a little bit about Rutuja and okay, what would you like to talk about? Oh, you're blank. All right, ticket. I will ask you. I will ask you something. Have you ever put frosting on someone's face?
Yes, definitely.
Whose face?
Well, a lot of people actually.
Ye wala question na
So-
your mom wanted me to ask you, so I'm asking you.
So my dad. So when it was his birthday,
Mm-hmm.
I would dip my finger in the frosting and put it all over his face.
आपने कभी किसी पे frosting लगाई?
नहीं,
नहीं, लगाओगे?
नहीं.
क्यों?
क्योंकि मैं अच्छा बच्चा हूँ.
Oh, क्योंकि मैं अच्छा बच्चा हूँ. All right. ठीक है. Okay. So what I want you to do is tell me a little about gymnastics because I know you're into gymnastics and you do a lot of it. So how did you get into it?
So really, I don't do classes.
Hmm.
So I just started to learn at home. So when I went to school, like I saw all of my friends could do gymnastics, like at least a cartwheel.
Mm-hmm.
And then I was like, I want to learn too. So then I started practicing at home.
Right.
Like my dad would help me, like he would like help me do cartwheel,
Mm-hmm.
and like I have a lot of space at home. And then my friends would help me out every day at recess.
So you can do cartwheel, back bend, bridges, everything?
Yeah, like not
Amazing.
everything, but I'm still learning.
Good. I love the honesty there. Okay, so let me ask you some fun rapid fire questions because we are close to the end of the show. So if you had to pick a Bollywood actor, which one would it be?
Jacqueline Fernandez.
Jacqueline Fernandez. Why?
Because I really like her songs, and my favorite song is Chitiya Kalaya.
Chitiya Kalaya way. All right. If you had to pick a favorite song, which one would you pick? Quick, quick,
Odini.
quick.
From
Odini.
the Odini, Odu, that we just performed, right?
Yes. Oh, back to the performance. I absolutely loved your
Thank
performance.
you.
Both of y'all did such a great job. And just amazing. You know, how long did it take for you to come up with that routine?
See, I actually taught her this song some days back,
Uh-huh.
and she's very fast learner. So for me, it's very easy to teach Rutuja. So it was not that hard for me.
Very nice. Sparsh, आपका favorite तो Tiger Shroff है, लेकिन favorite heroine कौन सी है? Actress?
कोई भी नहीं.
कोई भी नहीं है.
कोई भी.
मेरा नाम ले लेते हैं.
Oh.
Just kidding. Okay, okay. I'm just putting you on the spot, bete. Okay, okay. Last two questions. Okay, okay. If you are excited, what are the three things you say or do?
I'm so happy, and I scream until like I finally calm down, and then I laugh out, and then I might fall.
Okay. All right. जब ये excited होता है तो क्या बोलता है? And that's it. That's the end of the questions.
क्या बोलते हो आप?
जब आप excited होते हो तो क्या करते हो?
Yippee!
करो.
Right?
Happy.
Yippee! All right, and at that amazing note, we are gonna end the segment. Thank you so much for coming, you guys. Rutuja, it was a pleasure having you. Sparsh, you are the youngest and the cutest little superstar. Thank you for coming. Khushbu, thank you for gracing us with
Thank
your
you so much,
presence.
dear.
All right, guys, that was it for today's episode. अगर आपके पास भी ऐसे प्यारे प्यारे talented बच्चे हैं तो please हमें contact करना ना भूलें. Facebook पर Little Superstar page, email us at ntvhouston, littlesuperstar@ntvhouston.com. This is me, Pooja, host of the Little Superstars. Until then, next time, bye bye.
धूम बजक धूम बजक धूम धूम बजक धूम धूम बजक धूम बजक धूम धूम बजक धूम दिल से दिल की बातें कहते हैं सच के साथ रहते हैं बस आगे ही बढ़ते